In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 principles of the Zen way of life interpreted by Alan Watts. Knowing and applying this in your life can benefit hugely. So, Alan Watts, as you know, was a writer, philosopher, speaker who has carried the wisdom of Zen Buddhism from East to West. So, according to Watts, the Zen way of life is not a religion or a philosophy, but a way of living that emphasizes direct experience and intuition over dogma and scripture. He considered it as a path that encourages individuals to wake up to the present moment, to see things as they truly are, and to live in harmony with the nature. In his writings and lectures, Watts emphasized the importance of embracing the impermanence of life. So he argued that the primary cause of human suffering is our tendency to live in the past or worry about the future, rather than embracing the present moment. He encouraged people to let go of their attachments to thoughts, emotions, and ego, and then to cultivate a sense of awareness and acceptance. So let's quickly go to the 5 principles of the way of life described in Zen. Number 1, live in the present. Watts emphasized the importance of living in the present moment. You might have read the book The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle. There are so many books available now which emphasize the importance of present moment. So many years ago, Alan Watts described how important it is to live in the present moment. So Zen way of Buddhism stress hugely on the importance of living in the present moment. So rather than dwelling on the past and worrying about the future, be in the present moment with all that you can. That is where the creation happens. When you completely focus on the moment, you can plan for the future, definitely. You can prepare your goals and you can do a lot of things, but be in the present. He encouraged people to let go of their attachments to thoughts and emotions and simply be present in the moment. That is the number 1 point. Live in the present. And number 2 is let go of attachments. So these attachments to thoughts, emotions, and ego are the primary cause of human suffering. So if you let go of your attachments and if you cultivate a sense of acceptance and non-attachment, it will bring a lot of peace into your life. Number 3 is embrace impermanence. Watts emphasized the impermanence of all things. So including ourselves, our existence is not permanent, it's impermanent. So by embracing this impermanence, we can become whole. We understand that it is a temporary life. So how important it is to be present with all we can in this particular moment, because we are impermanent, because we don't know how long we exist as humans, as in this physical body. Number 4, cultivate awareness. So Watts believed that awareness, it is very important. It's very, very important point. Awareness is the key to living an authentic, meaningful life. He encouraged people to cultivate awareness through meditation and other practices. Number 5, accept what is. Watts encouraged people to accept what is rather than trying to change or control things. So he believed that acceptance is the key to peace and happiness. So these are the 5 principles, and applying that into your life can bring you a lot of clarity, a lot of inner peace. But at the same time, remember that these principles are not meant to be a rigid framework. Whatever philosophy even the philosophies you are seeing in our YouTube channel. So we are bringing to you a lot of information, lot of philosophies, Japanese wisdom, and we'll be bringing more wisdom to you very soon. So whatever philosophies and wisdom we are providing, or the other sources you are receiving from, be the books or scriptures or podcast or whatever, assimilate that ideas and use it and make it custom made before you use it, because only you know about who you are, right? It's just you who can completely understand your way of existence, what matters to you most, and what is more suitable to you. So whatever principles we are getting from here, you assimilate based on your requirements. So I would like to end this video by suggesting you that don't take it as a rigid framework, rather a guide for living a simple, direct and authentic life. So these are guidelines, so you can accept what is required for you and embrace those principles and understand those principles and make use of it if it is really benefiting you. So cultivate a sense of awareness, acceptance and inner peace. That will definitely help you in your life. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are expecting more such videos, please consider subscribing, because it will be an inspiration for us to bring you out more. We have more resources with us, so if you are subscribing and if you are ready to receive, we are ready to provide. Thank you so much.